Give me a little intro there.
How's it, us? Today's episode we're launching the 2 Lebs and 2 Saffers. Myself, Dylan, Nick and Matt. Nick's gonna get his first dory for today. Boys are amped, vibes are quite high. Nick's first launch in a year. And dories have been loose, been a good season so far. I expect Nick to get minimum of 2 this launch. Hi.
Okay, so we are out at Zimbabwe. I'm at the 15-meter mark right now. I'm with Matt Opperman, Matt Hayden, and Dylan Somerville. It's afternoon in the summertime. It's like 1:30, I think. Trying to pick up some bait. I've got 2 mozzies and 2 pinkies right now. We're struggling quite a bit for bait, so 4 of us are on our way to the wreck at Zimbabwe. Yeah, I will see. I will update if I get anything decent. Shad!
Hey, underside, you get them back. That's crazy. That season's open, what? Underside. You're just as bad as the guy taking it as us crazy. Hey Matt, Matt, it's okay to shoot like a candy shoot an 18-year-old, but like a 16 is not good.
Hey, I got a mozzie. Fuck. Got a mozzie.
Dylan's just trying to make himself look better.
No idea what I'm on right now. Got a big take on the down rig. Scad, I'm not sure what this fish is called. Oh, this thing is taking me for a ride. Oh, I think I'm double up. Yes, it's ready. This thing's just towing me along the bottom. Picked up a blue bottle tail here. Woo, woo, woo. Oh, deeper. No, I think it's just pulling it fast enough that the drag goes. Yeah, I don't think it's a double up anymore. Not a double up. Screamed off. A lot. Oh, we're getting some head beats. Ah, see, this thing is fighting. I'm gonna bring in my other one in the meantime. feel like tangling this. Woo-hoo-hoo! Holy shit, this thing's running. Oh, the bait's still too far out. Come back. Woo. Yeah, make some ground. Yeah, he's tiring. I don't know what this is. I think it's a jeet. It's a big jeet. GT. Holy shit. Get ya, brother. Massive jeet. Holy shit. Oh my god. Matt! Matt! Massive jeet. Woo! Okay. Okay. Don't fucking go crazy. Oh my god. Yeah! Nice! Oh my god. Oh, I'm... Shit! Oh my... I'm on... What is that? Is that a dory? Holy shit. Dory on the surface, on a mozzie. Oh my god. The dory took the mozzie next to me. It was up next to me. Dory! He took the mozzie next. What? What you on?
I don't know, I think a big bunny maybe.
This could be handy.
Oh, it's a hammerhead.
Ah. May have to close the hatch when I get this thing out. And then you guys are going in with the dory. Oh, yes, see you. Oh, no, don't. Oh, I thought he was on my rudder. It's a good dory. so beautiful. Come here. It's a boat. Oh my god. Oh. Can't get the mount up. Oh, what a fucking beautiful place. Woo! Listen to that music. Turn the clicker off. I'm being a noob. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Give me a better view. Oh, what a jump! Don't shake my hugs. Don't shake my hugs. Smaller one. Oh, it's a baby. Not a baby. Not huge. Give me my gaff. Give me my gaff. Missed the gaff. Oh, beautiful gaff. Ah. That's it. Feeling pretty sick out here. It's 3:45 now. Launched at about 12:30ish. I got the Red Bull out to try to alleviate some of the seasickness. It's gone a bit quiet. I've got 2 dories. Right now, I've got a mozzie on the surface and a mozzie down rigged, and we are in 30 meters of water. Both mats are 50-ish meters in front of me. And we're all just slow trawling, or slow drifting and paddling and seeing what happens. Yeah, we'll update. I'm on 2. Big dory. Yeah! Oh my god. Woo! Oh, I couldn't get in the hatch. I really should let him run. Shit happens, that I paddled in the last half an hour just while sorting out that plastic bag. And I just got stung by another blue bottle. Oh, this is bad. Okay. Oh, I'm getting showings beneath me. Okay. I need to close my dry hatch and put my phone away. Yep, there's fish below me. I'm gonna get out of these blue bottles. Oh yeah, I'm on. I'm on.